Austin is not slowing down. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what's being built, who's moving here, and what it means for your money, your neighborhood, and your future. This is the first episode of Everything in Austin, and let's get into it. So, my name is Sagun Sadai. I'm a realtor here in Austin, Texas, and for the past few years, I've been watching this city transform into real time from the ground level. Not from a newsroom, not from a corporate office, from the neighborhoods, the job sites, the new communities going up in Kyle, Round Rock, and Bastrop County. I'm out here, and I kept noticing something. There was a ton of news about Austin, but no one was really connecting the dots. No one was saying, okay, this company just moved here. What does this mean for the housing prices in Manor? What does this mean for people who already live in Pflugerville? So I started doing it myself. First on Instagram, then on a newsletter, and now this channel. The Austin Report is not just a news channel. It's a growth intelligence platform. We break down exactly what's happening in Austin, why it matters, and exactly who benefits. Whether you're a homeowner, an investor, a business owner, or just thinking about making a move here. Every week, I'm gonna bring you stories that are shaping the city. No fluff, no filler, just real transformation and insight. All right, let's talk about what's going on right now. Let's start with the big picture because this is the foundation of everything we're going to be talking about. Austin is one of the fastest growing metros in the entire country. We're not just talking about people moving from California. We're talking about some of the biggest companies in the world planting their flags right here in Central Texas. You have Tesla, Samsung, Apple, Oracle, SpaceX. These are not just small commitments. These are billion-dollar investments, tens and thousands of jobs, and each supply chain that follows the companies everywhere they go. Samsung alone is building a chip fabrication plant in Taylor, Texas, about 30 miles northeast of Austin, and that project is worth $17 billion and is one of the single largest foreign investments in American history right in our backyard. And now here's what most people miss. It's not just the company that moves, it's everything around it, the suppliers, the contractors, the workers, the family. And that's the lens we use on this channel. Not big company moves here, but what ripples out from that? And where does this opportunity go in the first place? And here's something I say a lot, and I'm going to keep saying it on this channel. The suburbs are where Austin's real growth story is happening right now. Kyle, Buda, Hutto, Manor, Bastrop County. These are not just sleepy bedroom communities anymore. These are fast developed corridors with new master plan communities, major retail, and infrastructure investment that are completely changing the character of these areas. Kyle, for example, I spent a lot of time out there. What's happening in Kyle right now is genuinely impressive. You got major builders like Meritage Home building out entire communities, new schools, new roads, new commercial anchors, and the prices are still where it's not like how it is in Austin proper. And it's because in real estate, being early is everything. Because 5 years from now, some of these areas are gonna look completely different from the people who moved to Round Rock 10 years ago when everyone said it was too expensive. It's not an accident. If you understand growth patterns, you know exactly what I'm saying. And I'm gonna be covering these corridors in depth in this channel. All the comparisons that you're thinking about is everything you will need to know in this channel, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. Okay, let's talk real estate because I know that's why a lot of you guys are here. The Austin market has gone through a wild few years. Insane appreciation during the pandemic, then a correction, and now we're in this interesting moment where the market is stabilizing, but it's not flat. There's still demand, there's still pressure, it's just behaving differently than it was in 2021. What I'm seeing on the ground right now is well-priced homes in right locations are still moving. Areas with good school district, good highway areas, and proximity to employment corridors are holding strong. The challenges for the buyers is rates. We all know that, but there's something worth thinking about. People who waited for rates to drop last year are still waiting, and prices in certain markets have already started creeping back up. So the question is, what are the rates doing? The question is the inventory of the market, what is it doing right now? That is exactly what I'm going to answer on this channel every single week. Whether you're a first-time buyer looking to figure out what you can exactly afford, or an investor looking for the next opportunity, we'll make sure to help you get the most educated decision. And here's what I want you to think about Austin right now. The city is in the middle of a multi-decade transformation. The infrastructures are being built, the companies are moving here, and the communities going up here in the suburbs. This is not a trend. This is a cultural shift where America's economic gravity is pulling. And the people who understand that, who can read what's happening and position themselves ahead of it, are the ones that are going to benefit the most. That's what the channel is for, and I want you to be that person. If you want to stay up to date on everything happening in Austin, don't forget to hit subscribe down below. We're putting out weekly content covering the biggest developments in the real estate market, the suburbs, the investment angles, all of it. We also have a free newsletter called the Austin Report. Every week, I break down the top Austin stories with analysis you're not going to find anywhere else. Link is in the description. And also, if you have questions about buying, selling, or investing in the Austin area, I'm a realtor out here